Hey, alright, Popsy here. We're getting ready to place this exhaust fan in here. Yeah, that's a beautiful noise. Beautiful noise. Listen how quiet that is.
Popsy, fix it.
Let's start tearing it out and see what we can come up with. Yeah. Alright. Right out the gate, we're gonna need some tools. I'm gonna go get a towel for the vanity top and my tool bag, and I'll be right back. Alright, back with some toys. I need tools. Start tearing this out. You may have to jump up there and add a bed to the exterior of the house. For now, I'm going to get it in the ceiling so if there's any finish work there, we can get it pushed up, painted and painted because they're not painted at all. It's got to turn off this housing. The black bar. Makes me feel there even a little better. I have a thinner enough profile. We got to go right here. Get our side lights. Got it. Alright. The old housing's slipping out now. There it is. Electrical's out. Okay. Now, I got that framed in. Tear those blocks out. I'm gonna pause you, and I'm gonna go get that new fan. All right, got the new fan in here unboxed. Got a nice little Panasonic. Here's the housing. So we have to cut us basically a 7 3/4 inch square. Right here's our joist. So we're 7 1/4 that way, 8 that way. Might be able to just tear this one block out and put it in there. Sometimes you just have to let that insulation get out of the way. We're gonna have to go up in there one day soon and hook a bit up to it anyway. Feel that heat roll in. Good time. All right. We'll try this angle. You look up my nose and see what we can see. Woo. That looks pretty crooked. Let's do that right there. I think that's gonna be a little better. So you should be able to see me. You should be able to see my wiring. We got to get this in our lock ring. Wires, the lock ring. Okay, there's that. Yeah, we need a couple of wire nuts. This is alright.
Oh my god.
It's gonna come in here, up on there, just like that. And we got a screw in the back. We'll screw the hoses together. I tell you what, that heat blasting interface kinda sucks. July 5th, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's pretty warm. Just snug. Alright, let's go ahead and mount this housing, maybe it'll be a little easier. We're gonna poke this just like that, where we can get a hold of it in a minute. Stick this housing right up in here. And if we can't get a hold of it in a minute, we'll take it back down. So we need our screws. Screw gun. Just up here. Put our screw gun. Put a screw. Send it right up. Screw it a hole. Right there's my screw. That dropped. My bit. My second screw. Like that. Nothing over there, but she ain't going nowhere. It says to put the third screw in here. There you go. Hook our ground wire up. Okay, that's hooked up. This box is gonna go up in there, something like that right there. Now the ground will go ahead and kind of burn to the back of the box, out of the way. Okay. Oh. There we go. Get our other wire nut. Push that around there. There we go. Okay. Now we can throw those wires up in the junction box just to get them out of the way. Okay. Something like that. We need our screw. We don't have a stubby in our bag. We need to move a stubby into our tool bag because right now that would be the easier answer. Okay. Get that. Push this insulation back. Scoop that out. Wonder. Forgot my sawzall. We need just a little block to catch in either one of them holes. Let me see if I can cut me a block here. We're gonna force this little block up in there. Maybe. Okay. We're just gonna fish that right there like that. See if we can't get this screw to start and pull it up just to hold that side up and tight. I think I'll be able to. There we go. That's just going to help hold that up. Should be out of the way of everything. Now, should just have to get this baby in there. And it should pop up in there. Like that right there. Now we should have two little screws. One little screw, two little screws. We should just pop this fan housing up in there and plug it up. Should go just like that. Click, click, click. Click. Two screws. And we should be done. One, we gotta reach way up in there. And then the second one, just put right there. Let's see if we can get that one way up in there. I need my flashlight probably because I'm blind. And remember, none of this has to be slammed up tight. It's just going in a little sheet metal. Okay. Flashlight. There we go. Here we go. Just like that. Let's test it. Okay, we'll put the cover on it and we should be done with no damage. Now, good thing is and the bad thing is, I gotta do it again. I'm not gonna take you along for that one because it's just gonna be wash, rinse, and repeat. Nobody wants to wash that garbage twice. So put that in there, put that in there. Time they paint the ceiling and stuff, I think they'll be able to, we put a little caulk there and paint the ceilings and we'll be good. There you go. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next episode. Listen how quiet that is.